Hi Savannah, again I'm really sorry about taking this long to get back to you. Let me walk you through Chapter 7 or 7.1 Geospatial Lab application, and hopefully we can help with the issues with the CRS data. So I've started QGIS, and it wants me to add from my Chapter 7 data. I don't have Chapter 7 data in there. There it is. From the Chapter 7 data, add the cow bounds layer. So drag that in. Pan and zoom. Yep, we got that. And then it says, important note, the data used in this application have already been projected. However, there are more projections for you to choose, so you can change projection by right-clicking on it, selecting Save As, then choosing projected coordinate system in which to change the layer. So, let's see. So we'll save this as our project, or Lab 7. Add that in there. And then they want us to go to set the properties that we are working on. Number 4, so I'm on page 263, so the QGIS, okay, from the project pull-down menu, choose project properties. There it is. Sorry, it's Friday. I'm tired. So I chose project properties. There we go. And then it says select the CRS tab. Okay, so this is where you are seeing it look a little bit different from your textbook and a little bit different from your screens. Let me pull up your image. All right, it looks like, I'm looking at the image you emailed me. It looks like your image looks like my screen and not like the book's. Okay, so first, one of the things that I mentioned in the Google Doc is that there's no longer you no longer have to check next to enable on the fly CRS transformation box. It doesn't exist anymore. It automatically transforms on the fly. So one less step you have to do. So then it says in the box next to filter, that's right here. So we're just skipping step 6, going right to step 7, going US National Atlas equal area. And then it's going to, oh shoot, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, so I did not put the periods in this time, so US National Atlas, I started typing it, and you'll see it pop up here. And then we can click on Apply, and OK. So it does look different. I'm going to open that Properties window back up just so you can see it again. So we have our selected CRS as US National Atlas equal area. So this sort of is, when you look at the image in the book, this is in that bottom third of the window where it says selected CRS. You can go through here. I don't know if it makes it bigger. I could have gone through here and looked for it, so it looked a little bit more like what we're seeing in the textbook. But that is how you add the CRS in. So I'm going to cancel since we already have it set up. And then it says to go into, so that's 6 through 8. So hopefully that'll clear up that part. And then for 7.2, getting started with Symbology, we'll close that Properties window, and we want to go to the Properties in the map legend here, in the layers. And this Properties, my windows are all funky. There we go, Symbology. We want to just go to the Symbology tab instead of the Style tab. You'll see that isn't there anymore. And this is in the Google Doc too, but you'll click on this drop-down menu up here, which you can see in the book. This looks similar, it's just called something different. You'll go to Graduated. The column to use is pop density. If you don't see pop density, make sure you're using that Chapter 7 data because they add things each chapter. I don't know why they do that, just to give you a headache. Use 5 for the number of classes. So that is down here in the corner, which I think is a weird spot to put it, but make sure it's 5. use the quantile equal area. I'm sorry, equal count for mode. Sometimes you have to click classify. Like if this doesn't pop up right away, click that classify button. And it should make it look like it does in the book. It says you can change the color ramp if you want. And you can go into the all color ramps to see more options if you wanted to. And then, I wonder if this got a little bit big. But way down here at the bottom, you can click apply. And then OK. And you'll see your book change to match. Well, they don't show you what it looks like, but you'll see your map change. I hope this helps you get started in 7. And again, apologies for taking so long.